What if a mid-range phone could actually feel like a flagship? That's exactly the promise the OPPO Reno15 brings to the table. And honestly, it gets pretty close. From the moment you turn it on, the phone feels premium. Up front, you get a 6.59-inch AMOLED display with a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate, rich colors, and HDR10 Plus support, so everything looks fluid and vibrant, whether you're scrolling social media, watching Netflix, or gaming. The screen is sharp, bright, and protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, so it's not just pretty, it's tough too. Powering the Reno 15 is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, combined with LPDDR5X RAM and fast UFS 3.1 storage, which means daily tasks, multitasking, and casual gaming all feel fast and effortless. On the software side, you get Android 16 with ColorOS 16, offering a clean, smooth, and feature-rich experience that feels modern and easy to use. Cameras are where the Reno 15 really tries to win your heart. On the back, there's a 50 megapixel main camera, a 50 megapixel telephoto portrait lens with 3.5 times optical zoom, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, giving you the freedom to shoot stunning portraits, wide landscapes, and clean zoom shots without stress. Selfie lovers aren't left out either. The 50 megapixel front camera delivers sharp, detailed selfies every time. Video recording is equally impressive, with 4K at 60 FPS supported on both front and rear cameras, along with HDR video, dual view recording, and stabilization for smooth, professional-looking footage. To keep everything running all day, OPPO packs in a massive 6500 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day or more. And when it's time to recharge, 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging gets you back up and running in no time. In the hand, the Reno 15 feels solid yet comfortable, weighing about 197 grams and staying under 8 millimeters thick, which is impressive for such a big battery. You also get all the essentials and more, including an in-display fingerprint scanner, face unlock, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, and full 5G support, making it a future-ready device. When you put it all together, the smooth display, powerful performance, versatile cameras, and long battery life, the OPPO Reno 15 becomes a strong option for anyone who wants flagship-style features without paying flagship prices. So, if you're thinking about upgrading and want a phone that looks premium, performs smoothly, and doesn't let you down, the OPPO Reno 15 is definitely worth your attention. If this review helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest smartphone reviews, and drop a comment below. Would you choose the Reno 15, or are you waiting for something else? Let's talk.